Hello. We are going to demonstrate the MegaCount 3D Stereo People Counter. We manufacture high-quality people counting systems since 2007, and many partners worldwide are happy with the reliability of our products. The delivery set includes a small box containing the sensor itself and additional elements for its installation. As we open the box, we can see the counter. It uses 3D technology, and its distinctive feature is that it has two cameras that enable the device to work in stereo mode. The counter weighs about 400 grams and is made of high-quality matte plastic. On one of the sides, we can see a Power over Ethernet port. And on the other side, there is a special mounting plate. The counter is small and easily fits in the palm of your hand. The mounting process is easy and doesn't require much effort. The special mounting plate is screwed off and fixed to the ceiling, and after that, you attach the counter to the plate. It ensures a reliable and durable mount. The sensor is installed close to the ceiling, and it won't stand out in any interior, especially since there's a color range you can choose from. After it's mounted, your sensor can start counting right away. As we can observe, the MegaCount stereo counter has two cameras that account for the 3D algorithm. Data and power are transferred to the counter through a single cable. Let's see what else is inside the box. There is a patch cord there which we provide in the color red, so it's easier to find later when connecting the counter to the network. The PoE injector has a slot for 220-volt power supply and ports for connecting the injector to the counter and to the LAN. It has lugs on both ends, so it can be fixed to a desk or a wall. Our high-quality injector comes with a power cord. The connection here is very reliable. As we can see, it fits securely, and it's almost impossible to plug it out accidentally. The counter employs the 3D algorithm. It scans the customers and determines their height. The sensor sorts them out according to height. Excludes specks of light, shadows, children, anything you need to filter out. The accuracy of the count is almost 100%. When the counter is mounted to the ceiling, due to its small size, it looks very inconspicuous. The counter doesn't have any additional holes, which makes the counter dust-proof. The device has a 3-year warranty. Made by MegaCount.